Hey, it's your old pal eating good in the woods here. Listen, I promised you guys a beer cheese sauce, and who am I to disappoint? We're going to make it quick, fast, and in a hurry. In a perfect world, this will take you about 10 minutes. Stick around, I'm going to show you how. Alright, in our saucepan I have put 1 cup of milk. Use whatever kind of milk you want. I'm using almond milk. 1½ teaspoons of Bad Byron's butt rub. A tablespoon of the grainiest mustard Dijon type that you can find. 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm using this Earth Balance. In a cup on the side, I've got 3 tablespoons of arrowroot powder and about 3/4 cup of water. We're going to use that to thicken the sauce. And then we got some, I'm using, coconut-based cheese because of my diabetes, but you use whatever it is you want to use. We're going to have about 2 cups of that. And then we're going to have the secret ingredient, a little beer. That's right. 1/2 cup of beer, which means you know what I'm going to do with the rest of it. That's right. Whew, that was good. All right. We need to bring our pot up to a simmer here. Alright, once we got it to a nice simmer, we're going to reduce the heat a little bit, and we're going to start adding in our cornstarch, or in my case it's arrowroot flour. We're just going to slowly fold it in until this stuff starts to thicken. You don't want to get it too thick because you're adding cheese to it too. It's going to thicken it up even further. And what's nice with this stuff is when you've used it on your prime rib skillet that we've made for dinner, get you some tater chips or some tortilla chips or something like that and use it as a nice little dip. Alright. You can see we're about where we need to be. Thickness. Yeah, I think it can stand to be a little thicker. So that was your 3 tablespoons of arrowroot flour in about 3/4 cup of water. To that, we're going to add our 2 cups cheese. And we're going to stir that in real good. Have a look here. Look how thick that's getting. Can you see that? Keep stirring it. It takes a little while for that cheese to melt into the sauce, especially this vegan cheese that I use. Alright, when you don't see any more shreds of cheese in it, and it's starting to look about yay thick, it's done. Stick it aside, put it in a container, let it cool, and you're going to reheat it when you make your prime rib skillet at the campsite. We're going to take it off the heat, give it a little taste. That right there's the ticket. Put that on top of your prime rib. Dip your tater chips in that. You're going to like that. Listen, don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell icon, all that. And until next time, y'all go out there and be nice to each other. I love you and God bless. Bye-bye.